Graphics design is a skill worth millions. Professionals across the globe, they are in need for such a very powerful skill which helps them excel either at a career-based level, professional level, entrepreneurship level, or for students at their own educational level. It's a must-have skill in today's industry and in today's world. However, to become a professional graphics designer, there's a huge learning curve. Take it from my experience. I've spent years learning about graphics design for various applications in order to become proficient. It takes a lot of practice, it takes a lot of trial and error, it takes a lot of projects, experimentation, know-how, theory, practice in order to get to that level of actually creating professional graphics, professional designs which portray a certain branding, a certain marketing message, a certain image of whatever product or service that you're trying, or any message that you're going to pass across. So graphics design is very critical, but yet it's very difficult to grasp. So in this current course, we're going to actually combine the power of artificial intelligence with graphics design principles in order to fully get up to speed with graphics design with fraction of the time, fraction of the effort, in which we are going to take you within this current course through a journey, assuming that you have no idea what graphic design is. And by the end of the course, you will have the ability to create powerful professional grade graphics designs for any applications through the help of artificial intelligence, in which we're going to be combining innovative tools, innovative techniques, strategies, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence within various tools and applications such as ChatGPT and Canva in order to create powerful graphic designs for any application, from branding all the way to entrepreneurship, all the way to marketing, all the way to web design. And it's up to you to pick the application that fits your purpose. But the skills that you're going to be learning, it's a must know. It's high in demand and it's very difficult to acquire such skill set. But through the intervention of artificial intelligence and combining it with graphic design principles, we're able to create incredible results. So what are you waiting for? Join our global community of over 140,000 students as of date from 175 countries, with over 6,000 reviews vouching for the academic and professional development excellence that our courses and programs have been providing for professionals just like yourself over the years, helping them learn and acquire key professional skills which are in need and in demand with fraction of the time, fraction of the effort, fraction of the cost, without the whole hassle of trying to learn things the hard way. On the contrary, you're going to be learning a lot of important stuff in an easy, comprehensible fashion. And not just that, you'll be getting access to exclusive resources such as prompt engineering guides to craft powerful prompts to get the best out of artificial intelligence, and graphic design guides such as typography, color theory, and much more, which are crucial for graphic designers. All of these are going to be compiled and provided to you. That way you have the ability to download them and use them as part of your coursework, as part of your projects, to help you apply the lessons taught. All of these powerful concepts, powerful resources, powerful lessons are going to be provided to you in this powerful graphics design course through artificial intelligence. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side.